Good morning, student.
Good morning, sir.
How are you feeling today?
I am fine, sir. I spoke English with my friend yesterday.
That's great. How did it go?
At first, I made some mistakes, but then I spoke clearly.
Excellent. You are learning every day.
Thank you, sir. What will we learn today?
Today, we will learn how to talk about people, places, and things around you. Let's start with people. How can you describe your best friend?
My best friend is tall. She has long hair. She is kind.
Very nice. You used adjectives. Tall, long, kind. Adjectives tell us more about a person or a thing.
Oh, yes. Words like beautiful, smart, short. They are adjectives.
Exactly. Let's make more examples. My father is strong.
My mother is gentle.
My teacher is smart.
My brother is funny.
Good sentences. When you describe people, always use is or are. Now let's talk more about how people look.
Okay, sir. She has curly hair. He has short hair. She has big eyes. He has brown eyes.
Correct? You can also say what people wear.
He is wearing a blue shirt. She is wearing a red dress.
Very good. You are describing people like a native speaker. Now describe yourself. What do you look like?
I am short and thin. I have black hair. I wear glasses.
Excellent. And what kind of person are you?
I am friendly and honest.
Very nice. Remember, when you talk about personality, use words like kind, brave, polite, funny, helpful.
Okay, sir. I am helpful and polite and
That's true. You always listen carefully. Tell me something about your mother.
my mother is sweet. She works very hard. She cooks tasty food.
Great. And your father?
My father is strong and smart. He helps me in my studies.
Excellent. These are lovely sentences about your parents. Now let's talk about places. What is your favorite place?
My favorite place is the park near my house
Why do you like the park?
because it is green and quiet. I go there every evening with my brother.
Wonderful. Let's make more examples of places. A library is a quiet place.
A market is a busy place. A beach is a beautiful place. A hospital is a clean place.
Excellent examples. Now describe your room.
My room is small but neat. There is a bed and a table. There are many books.
Very nice. You are using there is and there are correctly. There is for one thing. There are for many things.
There is a fan. There are 2 windows.
Perfect. How do you ask where something is?
I can say, "Where is the pen?"
Exactly. Let's try. Where is the pen?
It is on the table.
Where is the book?
It is in the bag.
Where is the cat?
It is under the chair.
Great. You are learning prepositions. On, in, under, behind, near, between. Repeat after me. The ball is on the table.
The ball is on the table.
The bag is under the chair.
The bag is under the chair.
The book is between 2 boxes.
The book is between 2 boxes.
The picture is on the wall.
The picture is on the wall.
Wonderful memory. Now let's compare things. You can use bigger, smaller, taller, shorter.
Okay, sir. My house is bigger than your house. My bag is smaller than my brother's bag.
Good. One more.
I am shorter than my father.
Excellent. You can also compare with as As. Example. My book is as heavy as yours.
My handwriting is as neat as my friend's.
Nice. Everyday English uses comparisons quite often. Talking about the past. Yesterday we learned a little about past tense. Let's practice more.
Okay, sir. Yesterday I watched a movie. Yesterday I visited my uncle. 2 days ago I cleaned my room. 2 days ago I played football. Last week I went to the market. Last week I went to the park.
Very good. Do you see? The past tense is simple if you listen carefully. Talking about a small story. Let's make a short story using the past tense.
Okay, sir.
Listen carefully. Yesterday I woke up early. I went out for a walk. I saw the sunrise. It was very beautiful. Then I came home and had breakfast.
That's nice, sir. I will make my own story.
Go ahead.
Yesterday I helped my father. I washed the plates. Then I studied English. I felt happy. That's excellent. You said full sentences and used correct past tense verbs.
Talking about the future. Now let's learn how to talk about tomorrow. We use will.
Okay, sir.
I will go to school tomorrow.
I will study English tomorrow.
I will help my friend tomorrow.
I will clean my room tomorrow.
Wonderful. Remember, will tells about the future. Let's say yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Yesterday I ate rice. Today I eat bread. Tomorrow I will eat fruits.
Yesterday I played football. Today I read a book. Tomorrow I will write an essay.
Great. That's how you connect time with verbs. Now tell me about a place you visited recently.
I visited the zoo last Sunday.
That's wonderful. How was it?
It was very nice. I saw many animals. The lions were big. The monkeys were funny. I took some pictures.
Excellent. You used past tense sentences correctly. Talking about the village and the city. Do you live in a city or a village?
I live in a city.
What's the difference between a city and a village?
A city is crowded and noisy. A village is quiet and green.
Very good. Which one do you like more?
I like the village more because it is peaceful.
That's a good reason. Now let's talk about jobs. What does your father do?
My father is an office worker.
And your mother?
My mother is a homemaker.
Good. You can describe jobs this way. A teacher teaches. A doctor helps patients. A driver drives a car. A farmer grows crops. A policeman keeps us safe.
Easy, sir. A cook cooks food. A tailor makes clothes.
Wonderful. Talking about hometowns. Where do you come from?
I come from Lakhimpur, Assam.
Tell me something about your town.
It is beautiful and clean. There are schools, parks, and markets. I like my town.
Very well said. Remember, small sentences make clear English. Talking about festivals and culture. What festivals do you celebrate in your town?
We celebrate Diwali, Holi, and Independence Day.
That's good. What do you do on Diwali?
I light lamps. I eat sweets. I meet my friends.
Beautiful. Festivals make life colorful. Let's talk about a time when you felt proud.
I felt proud when I won a drawing competition.
That's nice. What did you draw?
I drew my school building with students playing.
Wonderful. Visual description helps imagination. What makes you sad sometimes?
I feel sad when I miss my grandmother.
I see. Feelings make you human. Expressing them makes your English natural. Which season do you like most?
I like winter. It is cool and comfortable.
What do you wear in winter?
I wear a sweater and a jacket.
Very good. What about summer?
It is hot. I drink cold water and wear light clothes.
Excellent. Each season brings different experiences to describe. What will you do when you grow up?
I will become a teacher
That's nice. Why do you want to be a teacher?
because I love helping others learn, like you, sir.
That's lovely. Never stop dreaming. Dreams become real through practice. Let's review some words. Tell me a word for a person who teaches,
Teacher,
a person who drives,
driver,
a person who cooks,
cook,
a person who writes stories.
writer.
Excellent.
Sir, sometimes I forget what I learn. Then I feel bad.
Don't worry. Everyone forgets sometimes. Just revise every day. Speak aloud what you learn.
Yes, sir. I will repeat 10 sentences every night.
That's a very good habit. Practice makes your tongue flexible and your mind strong.
Thank you, sir. You always make me happy to learn.
You are learning beautifully, my dear. Let's make your daily English plan. 1. Speak 10 sentences aloud every day. 2. Read a short story in English. 3. Listen to one easy English video or song. 4. Write 5 new words. 5. Repeat them before sleeping.
That's a nice plan. I will follow it.
Good. This plan will change your English forever. Today, you learn to describe people, places, and things. You also learn to speak about the past and the future.
Yes, sir. I feel more confident now.
That's great. Tomorrow, we will learn how to tell small stories and short conversations.
Okay, sir. I like learning from you.
And I enjoy teaching you. Keep smiling and keep practicing.
Thank you, sir. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, my bright student.